welcome back to the channel. Y'all already know who it is. It's your girl Diamond Mind. So we are back with another wig video, but this time this is a 5x5 lace closure wig and we gonna get into it. Y'all already know all the tea will be below, but you know, in case you don't feel like checking out that detail right now, you really want to get my thoughts on this wig, I'm gonna go ahead and spill the tea real quick. This lace on this wig, y'all, is so freaking good. Honestly, I thought for a minute I was working with like a clear lace or a transparent lace. I don't know what type of lace this is. The details not in front of me, but I'll make sure I have it below. But y'all, it is so freaking cute. And y'all saw how quick this install went. This is what I need. Now, normally I don't really care closure wigs because not all the time does it give off a supernatural look or like a meltdown look with the closures, because you're very limited with parting space, of course. And I mean, you just have to do a lot of plucking in the front to get the wig to not look so wiggy, if that makes sense. If you had a lace closure wig before, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. So I love that this wig did not do that to me. It's not playing any games with me. As you guys saw, I did have to go in and pluck the hairline. Now I will say the density on the hairline is not thick at all, so it was super easy, super quick to get a thinned out hairline look, to the point where I really didn't have to do a whole lot of plucking. I did go in and bleach the knots, which is okay because it really didn't take that long for the knots to lift. And I think that's because the lace actually didn't have a lot of hair to begin with, so therefore it wasn't a lot of knots that needed to be lifted to a blonde color. But y'all, this lace, I don't even think it's doing justice on the camera, just how good it looks. And I love this side. I don't know what I did to this side. I think I just over plucked on this side. You guys probably saw it in the video, but it's baby hairs. It's not supposed to be like perfect on both sides, but this side, y'all, I love this. And I also like that, like, sometimes when you get a closure wig, it can be like a big bulk, like a big, I don't know what it is, but it's almost like you can tell where the lace and the actual cap starts, and it just sticks out right here on the side. It's normally covered up by your hair, so you don't really see it, but you can feel it and you can see it when you're styling the hair. But when the hair is done, you don't really see it. But I love how flat this closure lays up against my head, so I don't have to worry about it being bulky on the side. And so, like, if I wanted to wear this in a flat ponytail, I could do so with no problem. Like, you see how flat that lays? I mean, you can't go wrong with that. So if you are in need of, you know, a super convenient lace wig that doesn't require a whole lot, you can still do a little bit of baby hairs, you can get a natural look, it's low maintenance, you don't have to worry about, you know, trying to do a whole lot to achieve a natural meltdown look, then this is definitely the wig that you want to look into. And I say that because this being a closure wig, most closure wigs don't look like this. If you watch my wig reviews, like, you know this. I'll make sure I leave all the tea below in the description bar so that you guys can get your hands on this wig. And thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.